Hi guys, welcome back for another video. So in today's video, we're getting ready to head off on a surprise trip. The kids don't know it yet, but only my husband and I. We used to do this all the time, but now like we stopped, and it's been years since we've done this. But because with everything going on in the world right now, like we're very limited as to how much stuff we can do and where we can go. So we wanted to do a day trip where we could get there pretty fast and then come back home the same day. So let's see what we end up doing today. I packed a bag full of snacks already. I got them some chips in the bag. I got water because they're always hungry and thirsty, so that I don't have to buy any food from the gas station. Y'all know how they have. And yeah, I can't wait. I'm excited. We haven't done this in so long. Desi's getting ready to show y'all what she got going on.
So I got a shirt, and then a shirt.
It's like a pullover sweater. And then she has a unicorn shirt underneath.
and sparkly pants,
Skechers shoes. So she's ready. Are you excited?
Yeah!
You are? Do you have any guesses as to where we're going? Well, we'll soon find out. David tried to guess where we're going. Do you have any guesses, David?
Tennessee.
Wrong.
South Carolina.
No. Don't worry. You'll soon see.
Florida.
Nope.
Florida wouldn't be 6 hours away. Yeah, but that's Orlando. It takes 2 hours to get to Florida.
Well, good job, David. At least you tried.
The future.
Alright, so Desi wanted me to show you guys the outfit of the day. So I got my Georgia hoodie on, some leggings, big surprise. And I got my shoes that matches my hoodie. And then I got my backpack. I got children.
Yeah.
And that's my outfit of the day. One thing I definitely can't do is read a map.
Right there.
We're in South Carolina.
Yeah, we are.
So we're right here, over here, 77.
Oh, so we're about to leave South Carolina.
Yep. Do you have any guesses, Devin?
It's either North
Why
Carolina.
don't you follow 77 if we're on 77? That's 77. Follow 77. We're going that way.
Ooh.
Guys, I was getting ready to film the state line, but we're like in the suburb neighborhood. We just got into Charlotte, and they have so many houses and subdivisions here. It is so nice.
0.1 miles. Turn right.
It is so nice here. Like, it is I just love it. I just like going somewhere new, you know? Look at that one, you guys. Look at that subdivision right there. It's so nice. And this is just no, this is not subdivision. Is it a subdivision or is it apartments? I don't know. It looks like it does look pretty. Like there's some more over there, but it's a lot of them. That's all we've been passing. We didn't even know we were in the city limits of Charlotte because the whole time we were driving through South Carolina, and then it just told us we were in Charlotte. So the first thing I want to do is go to the Goodwill. I want to go thrifting. That's one thing I always do wherever we go anywhere. I always find me a good thrift store. Oh, there it is. Y'all what I got so far. So I found Destiny this sweater from Children's Place. Like all the children's clothes is $2.99. And then I got her this vest as well.
Yeah, it is a vest.
Yeah. And then I got her this skirt. A lot of stuff for summer, like the skirt. Like, what's this one? These shorts. So see?
Jean shorts.
Which I needed. She needed, like, she outgrew all of her summer clothes, so I needed to with her stuff. I got this dress for her. So I got that. Look at this one. She used to have this dress, but she outgrew it like 2 seasons ago. Okay, let's see. And then these shorts as well. Let me check out their house. Looking for a picture, but definitely not that one. How much is this? Like $1.99. All right. Oh, I just found a cardigan, so this one is going to be mine. You guys, I was able to find a bunch of stuff in there for the. Oh, I found David some clothes, and I found Destiny some, like, a lot of shorts and dresses and stuff. Now this Goodwill is known for its designer clothes. Like I typed in best Goodwill in Charlotte, and it brought me to this one, and sure enough, it was a lot of people in there looking for designer stuff. Some of them, they sell it on eBay and stuff like that, but it had some name brand stuff in there. I just found Destiny a Liz Claiborne coat, like pink with the fur. I paid $3.99 for that one, and it looks brand new. When I get home, I'll wash all the stuff up and disinfect it with a Lysol laundry sanitizer. But yeah, I don't know, when I go to the thrift store, I always get like space. Y'all, look at that 7-Eleven over there where we are at. We don't have any 7-Elevens, but look at that one. It's so nice. You wanna go up the stairs? Go. Up the stairs, Destiny. Come on this way. Wanna take a picture? Hey, honey. We are now back in our car. Y'all, it is cold. It's 10 degrees colder here than it is in Georgia. We're getting ready to go eat. This is a restaurant that's like Mediterranean, and I was looking at their menu, and they have a lot of keto-friendly foods, so I can't wait to order their food. It looks so good.
What are you gonna get?
You good? What are you guys doing?
Playing sticks.
Sticks? How do you even play sticks?
The amount of fingers put on this hand gets added to theirs.
Oh, okay.
When you get, when someone gets all 5 fingers on one hand, they get they lose that hand.
Okay.
I beat him lots of times.
Okay.
And you can combine your hands too.
I'm sorry, but this game, the whole game doesn't make any sense. Destiny mac and cheese is here. That's what my husband ordered. Does that look like smothered pork chop? Is that smothered? Is that what you ordered?
Somewhat. It's grilled.
Oh, nice. So I ordered a salad. Now I'm waiting for my cilantro lime chicken skewers. And the boys ordered a lamb gyro. Yum. So my cilantro chili skewers is here, y'all. I can't wait. I think this will be the best salad I've ever had. The bell peppers are, thank you. The bell peppers are roasted. Y'all, oh my God. You guys, this was literally the best salad I have ever had in my life. Y'all, I am so full. I am so, sorry y'all, full. Need to walk this off with some retail therapy. What you think of that?
Yeah, we can go to the Dollar Tree.
You got jokes. Oh, these houses are so pretty. You know what though? I've noticed that a lot of people here walk, you guys, or they use their bikes to get to places.
Use the left lane to take a slight left turn onto Radcliffe Avenue.
Look, there's more people walking. I'm amazed at those houses. You can tell they're older, but they're really nice in the inside.
It's kept up.
Yeah, but look at that one. Oh, I like that one. Yes. This one? Oh yeah, definitely. Look at that one. That's pretty. I like, y'all, my husband and I love looking at houses. Like love, love, love. Look at that house. See, that house I think looks like the one from Home Alone. What you think? That one right over there. In the woods. Okay. But I really like this whole area. It's just out of our price range. Joggers and bikers, y'all. I'm amazed by them. See, in our area, there's no sidewalk, so we don't see how many walkers.
Take a slight
See, yeah, some of them are older, some of them are newer, like that one over there.
Yeah, but I just saw someone get hit. Oh, I just saw.
No, what I was saying was that there's like no sidewalks in our area, so you don't see walkers and joggers and people walking their dog. It's like yeah, they will get hit by a car because there's no sidewalks. Everybody has a dog here. Everyone's jogging and running and stuff. I like it. So our plan is for this year, because you can make plans and like they could go out the window. But remember when I told y'all in my resolution that we want to do more fun stuff and just get out the house and just go and do something. It was so much we can do right now. Y'all, the sun is really shining. Well, I definitely want to do more stuff like this. Yeah. So, I don't know. Who knows what city will end up next? Stay tuned. Jesus Christ. Yes, they're all so beautiful. Guys, I'm over here checking for some Ray Dunn. Y'all already know me. They have these here. They got this. I already have this. What else? The salt and pepper one. A lot of stuff I already have. So I found this picture. The one I found at the Goodwill last week broke. And then I found this Be Happy. And so we are getting ready to go home, y'all. We had fun. Did you guys have fun? What was your favorite part? Food? That food was good, y'all. So the restaurant is called Kid Cashew. And it's like Mediterranean food. And it is so good. So we definitely enjoyed ourselves. And we're coming back because I am in love with this city.